And I've talked about this at length. I've talked about the only way we're going to be able to win this war is to make sure that we have people with opinions, and those people are only going to have opinions if they're not afraid of losing their paycheck, which means they have to make money outside of the matrix, which is why I teach men how to make money outside the matrix so you can stand up and have an opinion. Because if you have an opinion inside the matrix, they will wreck you. You will lose your paycheck. I've explained this a fucking 1,000 times. 200,000 people are making money right now. You're sitting around as a brokey asking me about your business ventures. What business? You probably even got an idea. I bet if I sat with this guy and said, tell me your business idea. I don't really know, but my uncle, he rents boats. So I was thinking maybe, bruv, you're an idiot. What are you talking about? Join the real world and start making some money. Stop talking shit. You know what? My father said something which is completely true. Action is all that remains when you run out of excuses. There's nothing left. I don't use excuses. And I've talked about on podcasts why I don't like excuses, because I believe it prevents me being ultimately self-accountable. And it's ultimate self-accountability that makes me a feared opponent in all realms of human endeavor, because it makes me as competitive as possible. And we live in a hyper-competitive world. When you run out of excuses that people will believe, you have no choice but to take action. And that's why I created the things I've created, because there's no excuse. It's $50. You can join. We'll teach you how to make money. You'll make money in your first week. You can sign up online using a credit card or crypto from any country on earth, and you can use your phone or your laptop to make money. What possible excuse could you have to not begin to make money with that? Oh, I don't have time. Yes, you do. Don't fucking lie. You have time. You're busy jerking off to Pornhub. You're just a loser. You're one of life's losers. Stay a loser. That's fine. There can't be winners without losers. I have no problem with a huge percentage of you staying losers. It doesn't affect me when I'm driving my Bugatti around. I don't care. But if you're a winner, you know what to do, so go do it. Action is all that remains when you run out of excuses. Join the real world, $20. Absolutely. Thank you, sir.